Ever noticed your backyard herbs growing faster than you can use them? Here's a simple way to capture that fresh flavor. Make your own herb-infused oil at home. Why bother? It's a tasty way to preserve herbs before they bolt or go to seed, and it adds a punch to salads, marinades, roasted veggies, or fresh bread. Start by picking a handful of clean, dry herbs like rosemary, thyme, or basil from your garden. Make sure they're completely dry. Any moisture can cause spoilage or mold. Lightly bruise the leaves with your fingers or a spoon to release their essential oils. Place the herbs in a clean, dry glass jar and cover them completely with a mild oil such as Australian extra virgin olive oil or sunflower oil. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark spot for 1 to 2 weeks, giving it a gentle shake every day to help the flavors infuse evenly. Don't rush it. Patience brings out the best flavor and aroma. Before using, strain the oil through a fine sieve or muslin cloth into a clean bottle to remove all herb bits. Here's the big warning. Always keep infused oils refrigerated and use within 2 weeks to avoid any risk of bacterial contamination. The result? A homemade oil bursting with fresh garden flavor, perfect for drizzling or cooking. Best tip, experiment with different herbs or combinations and enjoy a taste of your own backyard all year round.